Movie camera discovers 7 diabetic-friendly alcohol options. Wineglass tropical drink ****. Hey there, friends. Glowing star, are you or someone you know managing diabetes but still want to enjoy the occasional drink? Good news! We've got you covered. In this video, we'll reveal 7 types of alcohol that are not only delicious but also low in carbs and won't cause major blood sugar spikes when enjoyed in moderation. 1. Bloody Mary. For individuals managing diabetes, finding a suitable alcoholic beverage can be a challenge. However, the classic Bloody Mary stands out as a healthier choice, thanks to its unique combination of ingredients. This iconic cocktail is crafted with vodka and tomato juice, both of which are naturally low in calories and carbohydrates. The tomato juice, in particular, provides a refreshing base that supports blood sugar management while also offering essential nutrients like vitamins A and C. To maximize its health benefits, it is recommended to opt for fresh, low-sodium tomato juice. This helps minimize the intake of added sugars and salt, which can otherwise counteract the drink's positive attributes. While moderation remains key when consuming alcohol, the Bloody Mary can be an enjoyable and relatively diabetes-friendly option for those looking to indulge responsibly. Always consult with a healthcare professional to ensure this choice aligns with your dietary needs. 2. Vodka soda. When it comes to selecting a drink that aligns with a health-conscious lifestyle, the vodka soda stands out as a popular and guilt-free option. Combining vodka, a distilled spirit free of carbohydrates, with sugar-free soda water, this beverage offers a simple yet refreshing experience. One of the key benefits of a vodka soda is its minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Unlike many cocktails that are laden with sugary mixers or syrups, this drink remains clean and straightforward, making it an excellent choice for those who are mindful of their sugar intake. For individuals managing conditions such as diabetes or for those simply looking to maintain a balanced diet, the vodka soda provides a way to enjoy a drink without compromising their health goals. However, it is essential to note that the health benefits of this beverage hinge on keeping it free from added sugars or syrups. While it may be tempting to enhance the flavor with sweeteners, doing so could negate its low-carb advantage. Instead, consider adding a twist of fresh lime or lemon for natural flavor without the extra calories. In conclusion, the vodka soda is a versatile and health-conscious option for those seeking a light and refreshing drink. By keeping it simple and avoiding sugary additives, this cocktail can be enjoyed as part of a balanced lifestyle. Always remember to consume alcohol responsibly and in moderation. 3. Martini. For those who enjoy cocktails but are mindful of their sugar intake, a dry martini stands out as a sophisticated and health-conscious choice. Known for its simplicity and elegance, this classic drink can be tailored to fit a low-carb lifestyle. A dry martini typically consists of gin or vodka with a minimal amount of dry vermouth, making it naturally low in sugar. By opting for less vermouth, you can further reduce the drink's carbohydrate content, making it an appealing option for those monitoring their sugar levels. To enhance the flavor without adding carbs, a slice of lemon can be included as a garnish, providing a refreshing citrus note. However, it's important to approach variations of the martini with caution. Many modern twists on this iconic cocktail incorporate sugary ingredients such as fruit purees, syrups, or sweet liqueurs, which can significantly increase its sugar content. For a healthier choice, stick to the classic dry version and avoid these high-sugar adaptations. In conclusion, the dry martini is more than just a timeless cocktail, it's also a practical option for those seeking a low-sugar indulgence. With careful ingredient selection, you can enjoy this drink guilt-free while maintaining your dietary goals. 4. Distilled spirits. Distilled spirits, including popular options like whiskey, vodka, rum, and gin, have long been favored for their versatility and robust flavors. One notable advantage of these beverages is that they are naturally free of carbohydrates, making them an appealing choice for those monitoring their carb intake or following low-carb diets. For individuals who are mindful of blood sugar levels or seeking to maintain a balanced diet, it is essential to consider how these spirits are consumed. Experts recommend enjoying them neat, served plain without mixers, or pairing them with soda water or other sugar-free mixers. This approach minimizes the risk of unexpected spikes in blood sugar while preserving the integrity of the drink's flavor profile. However, it is worth noting that while distilled spirits themselves do not contain carbs, the way they are served can significantly impact their nutritional value. Sugary mixers, syrups, or fruit juices often used in cocktails can quickly add unwanted calories and sugar to your drink. To enjoy a healthier option, consider combining your preferred spirit with a twist of lime or a splash of diet tonic water. As with any alcoholic beverage, moderation is key. While carb-free, distilled spirits still contain alcohol, which can have various effects on the body when consumed in excess. Responsible consumption ensures not only a more enjoyable experience but also safeguards against potential health risks. In conclusion, distilled spirits offer a carb-free alternative for those seeking mindful beverage options. By choosing appropriate mixers and drinking responsibly, you can enjoy these beverages without compromising your dietary goals. 5. Dry white wine. For those who enjoy a glass of wine but are mindful of their carbohydrate intake, dry white wines such as Sauvignon Blanc and Pinot Grigio present an excellent choice. These wines are not only flavorful but also relatively low in carbohydrates, making them suitable for individuals following low-carb diets or simply seeking healthier beverage options. Dry white wines typically contain about 3.8 grams of carbohydrates per 150 milliliters serving. This makes them a preferred option over many other alcoholic beverages, particularly for those who monitor their sugar and carb consumption. Sauvignon Blanc, known for its crisp and refreshing taste, and Pinot Grigio, appreciated for its light and fruity profile, are two popular varieties that fit this category. While dry white wines are a healthier choice in terms of carbohydrate content, it is essential to avoid sweet or dessert wines if your goal is to reduce sugar intake. Sweet wines often contain significantly higher amounts of sugar, which can quickly increase the calorie count and undermine dietary efforts. Incorporating dry white wine into your lifestyle can be a balanced way to enjoy an occasional drink without compromising your health goals. However, as with any alcoholic beverage, moderation is key. Always choose quality over quantity and pair your wine with a nutritious meal to enhance the overall experience. 6. Dry red wine. Dry red wine has long been praised not only for its rich flavors but also for its potential health benefits. Recent studies and expert opinions continue to highlight its advantages, particularly when consumed in moderation. One of the standout features of dry red wine is its relatively low carbohydrate content, with approximately 3.8 grams of carbs per 150 milliliters glass. This makes it a favorable choice for those mindful of their carbohydrate intake, such as individuals following low-carb or ketogenic diets. Beyond its nutritional profile, dry red wine is a rich source of antioxidants, particularly resveratrol. Resveratrol, a compound found in the skin of red grapes, has been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved heart health. Research suggests that resveratrol may help reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and promote better cardiovascular function. However, experts emphasize the importance of moderation. Overconsumption of alcohol can lead to adverse health effects, including liver damage, increased risk of certain cancers, and dependency issues. For most adults, moderate consumption typically means 1 glass per day for women and up to 2 glasses per day for men, as recommended by health authorities. In conclusion, dry red wine can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet when enjoyed responsibly. Its low-carb content and antioxidant properties make it a potentially heart-healthy choice for wine enthusiasts. As with all alcoholic beverages, moderation is key to reaping its benefits without encountering negative consequences. 7. Low-carb beer. For those looking to enjoy beer while maintaining a low-carb lifestyle, low-carb beers offer a practical solution. Popular options like Busch Light, containing only 3.2 g of carbs per 355 ml serving, and Bud Light, with 4.6 g of carbs per 355 ml, provide lighter alternatives to traditional beers. Choosing beers with less than 5 g of carbs per serving can help individuals better manage their carbohydrate intake without sacrificing the occasional indulgence. Low-carb beers are particularly appealing for those following diets such as keto or low-carb plans, where monitoring carb consumption is crucial. While these options are less carb-heavy, it is important to consume them in moderation to maintain a balanced diet and overall health. Low-carb beer allows enthusiasts to enjoy the social and sensory aspects of drinking beer while staying mindful of dietary goals. As the beverage industry continues to innovate, consumers now have greater access to healthier choices that align with their lifestyles.